Alright guys, what is going on? It's a cold day here. It's going to be getting colder, so it's going to be getting a little tough for us to do some work out here. But today we're going to be removing some stuff from the trunk. We got the trunk liner and some things we got to remove so we're able to clean it good. And if you guys remember, if your car battery ever dies and you guys want to know how to open the trunk when the battery's dead, you can grab your key, remove your actual key out of here, and if you come down here, you see it's a keyhole right there. Not a lot of people know that. They freak out and they're like, I can't open it. Well, you actually can. Twist it. Oh, twist it the other way. And it pops open. So that's what you do when your battery's dead. If you didn't know that. We do have some things right here we gotta clean off. I guess plastic thing. Let's come off or something. Oh, whoops. I guess it came off. There we go. Alright. I believe this liner's got to come off too, but I'll do that later time because I want to put some sound deadening on it. And yeah, look at this carpet. It's all dirty. This is what you use to lift up. Look how much space in here. Like we could at least like put the chairs up to here and give us more leg room in that car. I don't know why they had to make this massive. Like look how big this trunk is.
Why don't you get in and show us?
Huh? You want me to get in and show you guys? Man, that closes on me.
I think I should close it on you.
Okay.
You're gonna hurt yourself.
I'm gonna hurt myself. Alright. Yeah, you lift up right here. It's a little thing you can lift it up. And actually, one thing I didn't even notice that you can go like this. It's got a little hook right here. You just hook it up right here. I didn't even know. You don't even have to hold it up. Actually, look here. This actually, look like it's moisture in there. Or some water might be getting in there somehow. I don't know. Here you have your fuses. You can see that I tapped into a fuse right here for my backup camera. I don't recommend tapping into a fuse. It can cause a fire. Yeah, we're gonna be removing all this stuff in here. Come on, thing. Oh, it's a button. All this comes off. Let me take it all off. Oh, another button. I knew that. See, the whole thing comes off right here. This will put that right there. That's your jack. I don't know what this is for. I found it in there. If you guys know what it is, that black piece right here. Yeah, I don't know what that is. Probably a jack. Or for a point. I don't know. Looks weird, doesn't it?
Yeah. Broke it.
Sorry,
Okay.
Then you have, I believe it's an 18 or 16. Oh, I'm on 17. I was in the middle of it. What you use for your tires. And this you just undo it like this. There might be a new one of this, so I'm gonna have to find it because you see it's cracked.
It's cracked.
Yeah, it's a Mercedes. We need to have everything 100%. So I'm gonna look for this. See if there's a part number here. Oh, there's a part number. There's the part number right there. That's what we're gonna need. All right, so we're gonna have to look on probably eBay, not FIFA Market, and see if there's a W204. We can part it out or something. Next is the tire. I haven't even looked at the spare tire. I don't even know if it's got air. You know, you're supposed to check if it got air on it. It actually has air. Look at that. I didn't even know. I'm just gonna leave it here. I don't think anyone's gonna jack it or something. Or at least my Mercedes parts stored. Let me see if this plastic thing comes off on that. Oh, I think this one's actually glued in there. Interesting. Better put it here and not get lost. This tab also looks broken too. Oh, we got broken clips right here. Nut. Yeah, so we're gonna have to vacuum all this up as well. We can have some clean. Oh, we got another part right here. I don't even know where this goes. Oh, it's a part number, so you can look up. You look it up, see where that's from. Maybe something went here. I don't know what went there though. I still think maybe it's plastic though, but don't want to come out. So we also need some stump denting right here. Put some stump denting in here. This is missing a clip right here, so we have to clip this. And this part, and this thing can just come off. We can store it inside. We're gonna have to vacuum it again and wash it with that vacuum we have. But look at all this. Whoever owned this car didn't take care of it. I'm just gonna wash it, make it brand new. Alright, now we got this plastic here. Okay, this part doesn't come out as well. So apparently there's some different versions of W204s. You know, one that you're able to bring the chair down, but for some reason these can't bring down for some reason. But if you did want to remove these seats, these holes here that you put like a screwdriver or something. But yeah, definitely need to put some sound deadening here. You should be having speakers. But this is this McCartney sound system. I don't know why I don't see the speakers. They're probably in here somewhere. Yeah, they're probably in there. But yeah. So, yeah, that's what we do for today, guys. It's cold. We can't really be out here too long. It's really cold. So, we're going to be wrapping it up. I think I was missing one of these, and I was able to put it in. So that's good. There's some parts that I need to replace. Hey, use one of my tools. My T20, I was looking for it. Alright, I'm gonna store this. Here's a little light bulb. I'm gonna store all of this for later. I'm also gonna replace this part right here. If you guys look closely, I did break it removing this. This part is like $80 just for this little sword. Alright, that's gonna do it for today's video, guys. Hope you guys got something for this. And yeah, hopefully you guys subscribe and comment, guys. Hope you guys like, comment. There you go. Yeah, drop a comment. Let me know what you guys want to see next in this car. I'll be doing a lot of things on this car. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching the video, guys. And as always, have a good one.